49% of buyers will go to open houses. They will use open houses during their 10 weeks of home search. Guess what percent of buyers actually hire an agent that they met at an open house? 4% of buyers ended up hiring the agent that they met at the open house. So when you are at an open house and you're like, wow, this is busy, there's so many people, oh my gosh, this is so important for my business, please understand the data rings true. 49% of buyers will go through an open house, but only 4% of buyers will hire the agent that they meet at the open house. Now, you might think, well, that's still 4%. Okay, let's look at the data, okay? So here's the data. Buyers, 40% hired an agent that they met through either a friend, family, or a relative, okay? So sphere of influence or sphere of influence referral. They're either a friend, family, or a relative, or they actually were referred by a friend, family, or relative, or neighbor, okay? 17% were past clients and 7% were other agents. You put all that together, 63% of buyers found their agent through word of mouth. At the bottom of that list is things like print marketing, open houses, direct phone call or contact, door knocking, right? I want you to write down 80-20 rule. What it means is that when you look at all the different ways you could get results, almost without fail, there will be a handful of things that get most of the results. Okay, it's called the 80-20 principle. 20% of the strategies will give you 80% of the results. If you know this rule, it is imperative that you start applying it to how you pick your lead generation strategies. Believe me, I built a massive coaching company off this, and my students all do really, really well. We're probably the most highly rated, smaller, but most highly rated coaching company right now on the market. And it's because of the 80-20 rule. And the data is super clear. Do not get distracted by all the shiny object bullcrap that everyone tells you you need to be doing or that you see everyone else doing. If you want to win this year in 2025, focus on building your sphere of influence. Focus on building your vendor partners. Focus on serving your community and getting to know people in a natural way. And focus on being really curious with people so that you can identify their future real estate plans. Okay? The number one killer of a real estate agent's business is comparing yourself to all the other crap you could be doing. Okay? Don't focus on what you could be doing. Focus on what the data tells you you should be doing. And if you want to try and do all of those things, you're going to lose. Focus is key. Be a master at a few things, at the right things. This is one of the most important things that has made me successful. It's the whole reason behind our program. And here at The Real Estate Prescription, we teach you how to have 2 to 3 intentional conversations per day, 10 to 15 a week for most of my students, and how to double your income.